everybody. Driving in my Montero here, almost the whole time I've had this car, it always runs hot, and it pretty much doesn't have heat a lot of the time. It'll just be blowing out cold air, except it does like going uphill. I'm kind of thinking it needs a thermostat, that the thermostat sticks. I did even put a radiator in it once, like 3 or 4 years ago. It's not like broken to the point where the car is not usable, but lately the thing just hasn't had any heat. All right, so here's the thermostat under that cover right there. You know, the radiator, it's so dirty in this thing. Look at that. Look at the condition of that bolt. How nice is that? We're doing this on a Jeep and like the bolts being just rust and breaking off and here is the thermostat. Move that out of the way. Put pans under there. I am catching most of that. All right, so you can actually put these in boiling water and see if they open up. You know, put a thermometer in there, and usually the degrees is on here. So let's see the new one, 180 degrees. Same. Looks the same. This has got to go on this. So that goes right there. Our housing goes back on. Good stuff there. All right, thermostat's in. All right, first time driving it right here, and the temperature gauge is right where it should be, and the car is blowing nice heat. So that is, I hope it stays like this. All right, next day here, and yeah, the car got heat real quick, and the temperature gauge is right where it should be. That is cool. That fixed this. And I kind of feel like I should have done that like 6 years ago, because I even put a radiator in this like 6 years ago because it was always running hot, and it didn't really fix it. And all it was a $10 thermostat. All right, well that's good. We're good. I want to put tires on this too. All right. Well, the Montero's been a good car. I paid like $1,900 for this thing too, and I've been driving this like 7 or 8 years now. Probably 7. How long have I been driving this? I've probably been driving this at least 6 or 7 years. For $1,900, how much is that? That's like, I don't know. It's fun. It's funny doing them. It's funny like having a super cheap car, then bragging about what the car payment would have been. Like that's like a $5. That's like an $8 a month car payment. Dude, cheap cars are the best. Those are better luck with cars I paid nothing for than stuff that was a lot of money.